Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to check your Ford Fusion's transmission fluid. This process is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's health. First, gather your tools. You'll need a jack, sturdy jack stands, a 14mm wrench, and a clean drain pan. It's important to perform this check on a level surface with the engine warmed to its normal operating temperature, typically between 180 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, many newer Ford Fusions do not have a traditional dipstick for this fluid. Now let's get under the car safely. Carefully lift the front driver's side of your Fusion using a jack, then immediately secure it with reliable jack stands. Safety is paramount here. Next, remove the front driver's side wheel. This provides much better access to the transmission. Look for the transmission fluid level plug on the side of the transmission housing. It's usually a 14mm bolt, often situated behind where the wheel was, on the left side of the transmission. With the engine still running in park and at operating temperature, carefully remove the transmission fluid level plug. The ideal fluid level is indicated by a slow, steady trickle of fluid coming out of the plug hole. If you see no fluid, your transmission is likely low. Conversely, if fluid gushes out rapidly, it might be overfilled. Also, take a moment to observe the fluid's color and smell. Healthy fluid is typically a dark brick red and has an oily, not burnt, odor. If your fluid level is low, you'll need to add the correct type of transmission fluid. The fill hole is often located on top of the transmission, sometimes under the airbox. Add fluid in small increments, about 1/4 liter at a time, until you see that slow trickle from the level plug hole. Once the level is correct, reinstall the plug securely. Finally, reattach the wheel, carefully lower your vehicle, and remember to dispose of any old transmission fluid responsibly at an approved facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.